So now I'm going to go around and type a prompt right here. So I'm going to go around and say, explain to me about Windows 7. Let's say, for example, I want to get some information out of it. Then what happens is that it gives me information about Windows 7, as you can see right here. But if I want to go around and double check this information, then you can see that Google icon is here, as you can see right here, that you can click on. And what happens is that it searches for this information in Google, as you can see right here. So now it's preparing the results, and you can see that now I can go around and expand out all of these options right here. As you can see, like I can know where these sources are from. So here you can see that Windows 7 was a major operating system released by Microsoft in 2009, is from Microsoft right here. So that is the source, while this one right here is from Wikipedia. If I were to go around for this, you can see that that's from Microsoft, and this one is from Wikipedia. Regarding the features, you can see that as I expand this out, you can see that introduction to libraries and to help organize files is from edu GCF Global right here, as you can see right here. So similarly, you can go around and expand it out right here and see different sources, as you can see right here, which is very good for double checking to see what you actually are getting the information out of. You can also go around and click on understand the result right here, and you can see that it says click on a highlighted statement to learn more. Here's what the colors and labels mean. So Google search found right here, as you can see right here. Google search found content that is likely similar to the statement, and if it is different, then it says Google search found a content that's likely different from the statement, or it didn't find a relevant content right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And with the non-highlighted text, there's not enough information about it. So you can see that this is not like an information that Google cannot find right here. And this is the same as well, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around, and you can go around and regenerate out this particular part as well, just like this. And then what happens is that it's modifying, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. So let's just go around and regenerate this part out right here, just like this. And then it'll simply regenerate that part out as well. So now you can double check again and so forth as you like. So that is how you can double check response that you get in Google Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.